Trappers, check it out. We've got Raylan with us today. She's got her traps going on. We are at the Penguin Point MyCru car wash. This is for a benefit, charity event to help out the family who had an accident with a vehicle, and the proceeds are going to go to them to help them out. I don't know all the details exactly, but I just know that it's a benefit. We're kind of having a hard time, so that's what everybody's out here doing today, and we are actually in line. We're going to get the trap laser wash, guys. We're pulled up here. We are waiting in line. It's packed, so it's a really good car wash. Get out here. There is a little bit of a line with these guys that are out here. We're working hard knocking it out. We'll get up here in just a second. We're going to flip this around and make you guys have a look. Check this out. There we go. That's definitely what we're out here doing today. We're having a good time. It is beautiful weather for this. 88 degrees is what the trap laser says. 88 beautiful degrees out here, and it is a bit humid. So they're out here playing in the water. They're all having a good time, and it's for a good cause. And I think that's real cool. So guys, come on out, check us out, and don't forget to don't miss our live stream here in just a little bit. After we get the trap laser wash, we're going to park this thing. We're going to get out and do a little bit of a live stream, show everybody what's really going on out here in the street. So that's what it is, guys. Don't miss the live stream. Probably a half hour, 45 minutes maybe. Maybe before then, if we're lucky, we'll see. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. Maybe fine, give me a big thumbs up. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.